Did you know that Vlogmas creators can make up to 30% more ad revenue during the festival holiday seasons? That's right, I know you. If you didn't know that, even me, I didn't know this before it was open to me. The festive season is one of the best times to grow your YouTube and even make money online with creative but simple content. In this video today, I'm going to be discussing and showing you some of how to create lazy but yet interesting Vlogmas content that will captivate your audience, keep your workload manageable, and help you monetize your channel effectively and even without much efforts. Let's dive in, guys, and see. But before we start here is a quick tip. Planning well and starting early can set up you miles ahead of other creators. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that you have to create lengthy content videos, overproduce videos. You have to make sure that we are going to talk about the lazy but engaging Vlogmas content today. And in today's video, Vlogmas content is all about being smart and strategic. Before I do anything, I would love to thank everybody that has been there for Immaculate show. People who have been engaging and who have been coming back. You will come back to this amazing video, the video that you're going to gain some insights and the way forward on how to monetize and earn money, in fact, and double your earnings this festive season with Vlogmas. First thing you need to know, statistics matter a lot. Let's talk about numbers. According to recent data, videos under 10 minutes are more likely to hold viewers' attention, especially during busy seasons like this time, the Christmas time and other seasons like Eid, you name them. Plus, YouTube sees a spike in search traffic for terms like Vlogmas, ideas, holiday content, and making money online during Christmas. That means that now it's your chance and mine to ride the wave to the festive viewers looking forward to have a lengthy and even binge-worthy content. The second part you should know about this is to plan well. To get started, I was thinking about it yesterday. To get started well, you have to plan content ahead of time. Outline simple and easy film ideas like decorating your Christmas tree, shopping hauls, or cozy at-home routines. This will save your time scrambling for ideas each day. And here is the best part. Lazy content does not mean they are boring. A simple grocery visit, a holiday playlist, or even a day in my life video can be interesting if you add a personal touch. Planning well, when I'm talking about, I know every creator is supposed to have a planning schedule, but what you need to do, you need to make sure that you sit down and plan for your 7 days or 10 days. But in particular, I would advise you to plan for 10 days such that by the time you reach that time, you're making like you're making vlogs for another day, or you're making content for other 20 days. And part 3 you need to do is to start early. You need to start yesterday, not even now. Start early enough, even though the Vlogmas traditional begins on December 1st. Filming and editing, you would have started it, like me, I started it before 1st. So you can start ahead of time such that it can make a huge difference. Pre-recording your intros, thumbnails, and even some filter videos can save you from last-minute stress. I know what it means. Even sometimes when it is last minute, you will make the video and again you'll delete it without knowing. Like recently, before this video, I'd already edited. When I went to delete, I deleted the video. So it makes you feel, when you start planning early, you work very well without any stress. It also gives you time to polish your uploads to make them engaging without needing extra effort. Then another thing you need to know, keep it short and sweet. These Vlogmas, you have seen there's no need for you to make them long. You don't need long ones. Drawn out video to succeed during Vlogmas. A 5 to 8 minute video can perform just as well, even 4 minutes, even 5 minutes. Sometimes they even perform better than 20-minute vlog. Why do you think it's like this? Because most viewers often prefer quick bite-sized content they can enjoy between their own holiday activities. Shorter videos also mean less editing time for you, that is a win-win, you guys, because I've seen it is very hard for us. Then before we go to how we should monetize this content, this is the time we need to know, even when we are editing. You know, sometimes we take time on making videos. I've developed a tendency of making sure that by the time I'm going to see the camera, to sit in the camera, I should have already prepared that my editing should not be too much, maybe too many mistakes. Maybe you find I need to go and get a lot of filters, or maybe a lot of add-ons. No, so I try to make the recording simple and precise. The last part on this vlog preparation, you don't forget that we need to make money online on these vlogs. Don't forget, you people, to incorporate monetization strategies. As always, add key festival words like holiday deals, Christmas shopping, Vlogmas on a budget in your video, you guys. Because even if you're putting it in a video, you should also put it in description and tags. Because I've seen recently, I did a very good video, but because I did not rush to put very nice key searchable words, the CPM was alarming. So start from there, such that we can get a lot of money. Collaborate with brands, as I always tell you, that align with your content, or use affiliate links for products you mention. And remember, consistency is the key, you guys, to maximize your earnings this period. Remember, we are here to make sure that in this Christmas, in this festive season, with our Vlogmas, we have to get money out of there. So make sure that we be consistent. We post daily or even every other day. Keeps viewers coming back and boost your ad revenue. So guys, there you have it. Lazy but interesting Vlogmas content is about planning ahead, starting ahead, keeping it short and sweet, and tapping into the festive spirit to grow your channel. Remember, the goal is to create content you enjoy without burning yourself out. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of making money online while celebrating the holidays? Guys, what do you think about this? So let me cross from here, because I wanted to make it short and simple, just 8 minutes. If you know you like this video, please leave a comment, and also subscribe. You can also leave another comment to tell us any Vlogmas you want to know in my area, and don't forget to subscribe, please, for more tips and also more videos about this festive season. Let's make this holiday season the most successful, very most successful one, and again the most productive one. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye. Don't forget, this is Christine. We always talk about money and how to make money. Let's see you in another vlog.